This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit in Luk Condominium, located directly in W District on Sukhumvit Road. Total usable space is 80 square meters. Mid-floor positioning. Functional layout. No wasted area. The unit is fully furnished and configured for immediate use. Open-plan living area connects directly to the kitchen and dining space. Practical design, not decorative. Everything serves a purpose. Bedrooms are properly sized. This is not a compact 2-bed pretending to be something else. Both rooms are usable for real living. Master plus guest room or family setup or rental flexibility. Bathrooms are standard, but efficient. Walk-in shower, clean layout, low maintenance. Kitchen is fully equipped. Built-in appliances, separate washing machine zone. Suitable for long-term tenants, not short-stay turnover. View is open. This matters. No immediate building blockage. Better light, better perception of space, easier rentability.
If this video helped you evaluate the property, register that signal with a like and a subscription. Questions or specific scenarios, leave them in the comments. If this unit fits, or if you are assessing other Bangkok properties that make sense, use the contact details shown at the top of the screen as usual.
Now, location. W District is one of the few areas in Bangkok where lifestyle and transport genuinely overlap. BTS Phra Khanong is effectively next door. Walking distance, under a minute. This is not near BTS in marketing terms. This is actual proximity.
Luk Condominium is a high-rise in W District on Sukhumvit Road, positioned directly next to BTS Phra Khanong. True walkability. No transport friction. The project integrates into W District itself. Food, cafes, and daily lifestyle are within the same footprint. This supports consistent tenant demand and ease of living. Facilities are practical and aligned with real use. Swimming pool for daily use, not just design. Fitness room with sauna. Standard expectation covered. Main lobby maintains a solid, presentable entry point. Kids room adds flexibility for family tenants. Overall, the building is structured for convenience and long-term occupancy, not visual excess.
Appreciate your time. CondoDee Realty will see you in the next video.